Jennifer, and this is a super quick video to show you about these new back in stock alerts from Stampin' Up. We've been having back in stock alerts for a while. If you look up a product in the store, you can opt into the email. But now you can just go to your account, whether you're a customer or a demonstrator, you can click on your name and find that your name in the device if you're on a phone or iPad, and click on notifications, and it will take you to this screen. And these are all of the items that are temporarily out of stock. There's 3 pages here on my computer right now, and you can turn on to be notified, toggle it on or off for any of them. I actually clicked this one right before I recorded this video and saw that it tells you if you're unsubscribing, yes, or never mind. I do want to still be notified on that one. But then you can turn on new ones. So, like if I want to know when Cake Day Dies or Bundle or both are back in stock, I can turn that on right here. So very simple. You will then receive an email that's tied to your account once the item is back in stock, and you can order it right away. So I hope this is helpful. Thanks. Bye.